The wind howled through the trees, a mournful cry that chilled Sarah to the bone. Alone in her cabin, she thought of the stories. Villagers had vanished, leaving only echoes behind. As night fell, the wind grew louder, clawing at the walls. Shadows danced outside, twisting and turning. She grabbed a flashlight, heart racing, and stepped onto the porch. The forest loomed, dark and insatiable. Suddenly, a figure emerged, eyes gleaming like flint. It moved swiftly, more animal than man. The stories returned, whispers of a curse. As she backed away, the creature froze, tilting its head, mimicking her fear. With a chilling growl, it turned, the wind carrying her screams into the night.